Hi, welcome back on the Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpaper in your Xiaomi Mi 9, the wallpaper of your phone and from the block of your screen. So to change it, go to your settings here and search for wallpaper here. Pre-install it. Let's check it out how it looks like. There's plenty of good wallpaper here. This is hot. Tap to preview. It looks like the lock screen and on the main screen. Apply, and you can choose to set it by lock screen on home screen on the bot. I'm gonna choose it from the home screen, and for the lock screen I'm gonna choose the blue one. Apply and the lock screen here, and that's it. As you see, I have a new wallpaper here, and I suppose I have new wallpaper here. That's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!